forgetting something? Wash your hands. Anything we touch can have germs, bacteria, and viruses on them, like coronavirus. It can get into your mouth and nose, and it can make you very sick.
So I should wash my hands every day to keep germs away?
You really have to wash your hands several times a day to keep germs away. Germs and viruses hide in a lot of places like cell phones, doorknobs, countertops, other people's hands, and pets.
Wow, I didn't think how important it is to wash my hands.
Yes, it's so important to wash your hands throughout the day, especially after you eat, use the bathroom, sneeze, or cough. There's a right way to wash your hands to ensure personal cleanliness and prevent spreading germs. It's easy. Step 1, wet your hands. Step 2, liquid soap. Step 3, lather and scrub for 20 seconds. You can outsmart germs by cleaning in areas they like to hide, like under your nails and between your fingers. Don't forget your thumbs. Step 4, rinse for 10 seconds. Step 5, dry your hands. Step 6, turn off tap. When you don't have a sink to use hand sanitizer. I'm Abby.
And I'm Alan.
We're from the experience. Before you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up so you don't miss out on more awesome videos like this one.
See you next time.